It's really hard to have a lot of junk in your trunk if your trunk is rusty and won't latch itself. So we're going to fix that so I can have a lot of junk in my trunk. Okay, so here I am just scraping and scraping and scraping. Oh, and I scraped some more because there's a lot of this and it's stuck or not stuck and then there's rust underneath. So I won't bore you with all of that. There it is after. Ta-da! Wow. Here is part of the bracing all cut out and then I took the trunk off and I'm going to get started on that. No, you're not actually looking at ancient Swiss cheese. That's my trunk. Love that for me. So a little bit of time did pass between when I scraped it and when I actually got to this part. So I had to take care of the surface rust. And I'm doing that plus some other stuff here. Just an idea of what I was working with and what it looked like. I did go ahead and grab some 80 grit sandpaper to kind of get around the edges and whatnot. Then I discovered that the DA actually vibrated a bunch of the rust under the braces out, which kind of made me laugh, and it was neat to watch and proved to be pretty helpful. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay, and then here's what I'm left with. Make sure to follow, subscribe, do all those things to see what I do next.